Hello, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where everything I'm about to show you has been tested and verified by the experts here in the workshop. Listen to this. When a customer comes in with that message on their car, the first thing we explain is that it doesn't mean the parking system has stopped working completely. Actually, the parking sensors and the alert system detected a fault and automatically shut off for safety. It's like the car is telling you, hey, I'd better protect myself and won't offer assistance until everything's okay. And let me tell you something, this is what's great about these cars. Right after that, a lot of customers tell us that suddenly they stopped hearing the beeps when getting close to an obstacle, or that the parking display disappeared. Others say it used to work perfectly, and now there's no visual alert or sound. In the shop, we know that in most cases, this is related to the proximity sensors or their connections. As one of the technicians here in the shop says, if there's no sound or image, the first thing you need to check are the sensors. It's worth noting that some customers notice the issue comes and goes whenever it wants, which makes us suspect dirty, wet, or loose sensors. It's not uncommon for a buildup of mud, dust, or water to affect the readings, causing the system to stop working properly until everything is clean and dry again. And that's where the mechanic comes in, making sure everything is in the best possible condition. On the other hand, we've also seen cases where the problem comes from the parking system's control module that coordinates all the sensors. If this module receives incorrect data or malfunctions, it immediately triggers the warning. In one of the interviews, a customer told me the car drives fine, but the message is still there. So, let me tell you, this is a sign of an electronic failure that needs attention. But wait, don't go yet. It's also important to remember that some of these cars require sensor recalibration or software updates, especially after maintenance, battery changes, or bodywork repairs. Just yesterday, a technician told me sometimes a simple scan and system reset makes everything go back to being just fine. Fine, fine. When a customer wants a real solution, we try to be as professional as possible. First, we inspect all the sensors, cleaning them and making sure there's no damage or loose connections. Then, we scan the control module and check if any sensor needs recalibration or replacement. If we find a damaged sensor, we replace it and perform a system reset, leaving the parking system fully operational again. So, my friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave a comment if you were able to fix it or not, so I can try to help you.